Hi everyone, how to fix the League of Legends play button is not working when you click on the play and nothing happened. So to fix this problem, you just need to right click on your taskbar and open up your task manager. And now from here, you just need to look for the League of Legends, all the applications running here in your task manager. So you just need to scroll down and in the processes, when you find the League of Legends, right click on that, simply click on the end task. After that, just look for the right client instances running here in the processes, right click on that and simply click on the end task. Then simply go to the details you are seeing on the top. And here you also disable or they close all the instances of the League of Legends and the League client running here in the details. So once you click on the end task of all the League of Legends or the right client, here you have to also look for the if there is running any other instances, then you can simply close it. Once you close it completely, then you can open up your League of Legends again and your all problems are fixed and your also play button is not working, this problem is fixed. Guys, this is how you can fix this problem, and if your problem is fixed, so please like this video and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.